And we welcome you back to Newsmax Now for more on those emails deemed classified or top secret by the State Department today that belonged to Hillary Clinton. Let's now welcome in former federal prosecutor Joe diGenova. Joe, great to continue the conversation on this particular topic. I wanted to get your reaction by the announcement from the State Department that 22 emails deemed top secret. What does this mean for the ongoing investigation?
Well, it means that the amount of evidence is mounted to such a level that there is just no doubt at this point that Secretary Clinton and at least one or two of the members of her entourage are going to have to answer criminally for what has gone on. We now know that some of the emails are so sensitive that they will never be declassified. They will never be made public. These emails were all classified at the time, according to the CIA and other intelligence sources, and that means that the moment they entered her server, a crime was committed.
And so this is the same thing, in your opinion, as David Petraeus passing off a hard copy of top secret information to a third party?
There's no doubt about it. It's actually because in those instances, he was handing the information to someone who had a security clearance. And while that was a violation, since she didn't have clearances, this is worse. This was classified information, top secret and beyond, special program access, that went to an unsecured server that was accessible by foreign powers. There's just no way that the FBI and the Justice Department are going to do anything else but recommend a criminal prosecution. It's mind-boggling to me that the Department of State is now only coming to realize how serious all of this is.
All right, we've talked before about a pending indictment here. You believe that's the case. It's going to come very soon. Before that, do you expect to hear about subpoenas coming very soon or anything, any lawyers being hired in the meantime?
Well, I think what's happening right now is the Bureau is solidifying its case to make a recommendation to the Attorney General. That's going to happen within the next 60 days. I think as far as subpoenas are concerned, we know that, as far as we know, there is no grand jury. The only way subpoenas would be issued was if there was a grand jury. That will only happen if the Attorney General agrees to pursue charges, or if she appoints a special counsel to deal with this cancer on the Clinton candidacy.
All right, so some things to keep our eyes on. Also interesting to notice Sarah Westwood pointed out a few moments ago, Darrell Issa talking about this as well. Someone, as we mentioned, with skin in the game here. Joe diGenova will keep in touch with you and get more updates and your perspective as this case continues. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.